Bulare, and very good morning to all of you. It's actually wonderful to be here in the friendly north again and to be part of this auspicious occasion to celebrate our self-driven entrepreneurs. It's been a while since we've been in Vanuatu. I think it's almost 2 years since my team from the ministry and I have actually been here. With the world, ladies and gentlemen, with the world still dealing with the devastating effects of the pandemic, it is always encouraging and always inspiring to see our grassroots businesses not losing hope and persevering. Whilst our international borders have come to a grinding halt and businesses were closed, you actually kept going and the cooperative kept toiling. In fact, I'm confidently saying that facing and dealing with challenges is not new for this cooperative and this community. Before the COVID-19 pandemic, you were hit by Cyclone Winston, and the ravaging effects are still seen today. It was the strongest cyclone ever to hit the southern hemisphere. And as the effect of COVID was taking its toll on Fijians, you were actually hit by Cyclone Yasa and flooding. But you have remained steady in the face of adversity and bounced right back. And this is a true testament to how working together in solidarity helps you overcome any challenges. In fact, the Kade Drairai Cooperative Limited should be given the needed recognition and respect for pushing its barriers and reinventing its business model. This northern-based cooperative saw opportunities rather than adversities in these difficult times. Ladies and gentlemen, I think you all know these stories. Starting off as a land purchase of a cooperative in 1967, some 55 years ago, fulfilled its mandate and re-looked at its operations by diversifying into a farming cooperative business. Now, as a minister responsible for cooperatives, I was personally delighted to know that the revenue earned from the pine harvest in early 2021 came to around about $68,000. And this came at a time when your members needed it most to rebuild and provide their families with a decent livelihood. It's also commendable, ladies and gentlemen, that despite the cooperative setting aside $5,000 for operational use, they were able to distribute dividends to the 22 members. And this is aligned to the key values of any cooperative business, which is self-help, self-responsibility, democracy, equality, equity, and most importantly, solidarity. The cooperative business model builds on the concept of improving everybody's livelihoods and addressing economic issues by working in numbers. And we applaud all of those that pursue business through registering a cooperative business. Ladies and gentlemen, your commercial dreams are becoming reality today. Thank you for allowing the government to be a part of this. The purchase of the tractor, as you see here, has come about from a 1/3, 2/3 investment by the cooperative and government through the Integrated Human Resources Development Program. The total cost, ladies and gentlemen, of the tractor amounted to $47,800, to which the cooperative has contributed approximately $15,933. And the government has contributed approximately $31,867. Ladies and gentlemen, the tractor will enable you to venture into the next phase of economic and agricultural development through mechanization and through modernization of the farms. And I will reiterate what I actually said last week, just last Saturday in Singatoka, about the demand for locally grown products in the international market. There is a huge demand for our ginger in the Australian market. Additionally, we've opened pathways for kava into Australia for commercial export, and there is potential for you to get into kava plantation and export. Fijian turmeric is making inroads in the international market, such as Australia, New Zealand, States. Our range of Fijian-made products has significant potential for the niche and high-end market around the world. The same applies to our organic produce. So today I encourage the farmers here to step out of your comfort zone and consider producing for export. This would be the next stage of your business. And even so far as setting up your own processing and export facilities. I also encourage you to join our national brand, the Fijian Made by Fijian campaign, by applying for the Fijian Grown or Fijian Made logo. This will give you recognition and add value to the agricultural produce. As you all know, people from Vanuatu don't just live in Vanuatu. People from Vanuatu live all around the world. So there's a high demand for your products. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government has always seen the potential in the Northern Division and has vigorously invested and boosted the business activities for this part of the country. The most well-known program, as you all know, is the IHRDP and our Northern Development Program. And through the NDP alone, since its establishment, we have invested approximately $10 million into the development of micro, small, medium enterprises in partnership with lending institutions. Good things are happening in the Northern Division, which will bring about the much-needed economic change, which the government has been pushing for and will continue to do so in the coming future. This is evident from the recent development projects in main Lambasa town from private stakeholders. And we have also yesterday, or just a day ago, we celebrated International Women's Day this week. And I urge you to encourage more participation from our women and our youth segments. A lot more can be achieved if we open our doors to them. I understand this particular cooperative also has quite a good number of female members. We will continue to support your ventures, not only through our grant programs, but through the various trainings and business advisory services provided by the ministry. We have 2 offices situated in Lambasa, one at Madhuwata House and the other at Raumbe Building. And please do visit our office. I know it's a warm day and I know you've been all be waiting this morning, so with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I congratulate Kade Drairai Rice Farmers Cooperative Limited and I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Thank you very much.
We are very happy for receiving this tractor from the minister today. Also my cooperative and the cooperative members are very happy because since a long time we are just using a bullock for plowing land and for our rice farming, even vegetable farming. Nowadays, today we are very happy and proud of this government. Also our minister to coming so long to our area in Bua to hand over this tractor, so it will so easy for us plowing land and grow more rice in our area in Bua. Thank you very much for giving us a big support by the tractor, so we can produce more rice in our area. So the rice from buying from the overseas, we have to buy some rice from there. We can produce more than 70 to 80% rice in Bua.